Hershko International Biochemistry Award. Which one is the winner? Martin Bultmann.
Thank you so much. It's overwhelming, astonishing. It's quite a surprise. So thank you very much. Also, thank you very much for being a part of this incredible family, multidisciplinary. And it's hard to find words. I don't know how I deserve this. And therefore, I would like to take this prize, not for me personally, but representing or on behalf of science, curiosity, on behalf of curiosity and making up hypotheses, checking them, failing, getting up again, succeeding eventually, and creating knowledge. And also passing on this knowledge to the next generations, not just passing on, but being a multiplier of that knowledge and that wisdom that we acquire over time. And I also would like to dedicate this prize to my wonderful family, in particular my two nice kids, the next generation that we would like, to preserve this planet for, secondary, to convey the knowledge that we have to the next generation, and also would like to dedicate this to the past generation, my mom, and especially my dad, who passed away around 10 years from cancer, unfortunately, but that's also an inspiration to continue work, to continue research, so that we can help the people with really severe disease and try to make the world a better place as much as we can. Thank you very much.
Congratulations.